Everything you post online, your photos, documents, location, someone is building a profile of you right now and you have no idea about it. Today, I'm going to be that someone, but you must be wondering, what the hell is OSINT? Like, what is it? So, OSINT stands for Open Source Intelligence. It's the process of collecting and analyzing publicly available data to build a profile on a target or anyone of your wish. So, let me show you how it's done so you can protect yourself. Meet the subject. This is Mr. Packet Loss. Fake name, fake face. But I've set up multiple fake social media accounts for him across multiple platforms before filming this. All public, all with realistic posts. Starting with just this face and the name, let's see how deep we can actually go. Quick note before we start, everything you're about to see is done on a fictional account I created myself. No real person is involved. These techniques exist and are used every day. I'm just showing you this so you know how to protect yourself. I'm not teaching you this to invade someone's privacy. So, guys, use this knowledge responsibly. The first step is to open up your Linux terminal and write in Sherlock, the username you want to search, and then search it. Then Sherlock will search over 300 multiple social media platforms to search for that specific username you have searched over. As you can see, we have found two platforms in which the username has matched. One is GitHub and the other is Instagram. We'll open up the GitHub page in any browser you want. Now, after opening GitHub, we can see that this is his profile. You can confirm it with the username and the profile picture. And we can also see that he has two links. One is to his LinkedIn and the other one is his Instagram. Now we'll open these links in our browser so that we can get enough information and more information about him. After analyzing his LinkedIn, we know that he is a network engineer and he works at Cloudflare. Now coming back to his Instagram, we can see that he has only one post over his profile. So we'll analyze that, and he has something written in his bio also that he is a Warriors fan and he's in tech and he's a father of two. Then we'll go look into the post he has made. As you can see in the caption, he has written home sweet home hashtag family. So I guess this photo is from his balcony or home. We can also use this image to reverse search it to find from which area this image belongs to. If we click on the pinnacle at Nob Hill, it will directly pinpoint the exact location in San Francisco where this guy lives, where Mr. Packet Loss lives. So we'll just analyze that and move forward. After the analysis, we already know where his workplace is, what does he do, where does he live, his identity, face, name, and his family, that he's a father of two children. So, this really dangerous that someone can get to know about you this much. Well, the main question is, how do you protect yourself? Now, there are certain steps to protect yourself. The first is to keep different usernames across different platforms. This breaks the chain. This will allow that Sherlock doesn't work on your usernames or your accounts. Second, turn off location tags. Why do you need to show someone that you are on this location and that? The third thing is audit your background. Like, is there any certain building visible from your background, any certain monument which will lead the bad actor to know what your location is? And fourth, this is most important thing. Keep your accounts private unless you're a celebrity. If you're not a celebrity, please keep your accounts private. Trust me, this is the best advice anyone would ever give to you. Now hold up. This is a bonus step. Go to this website and enter any email address. This tells you if that email appeared in any known data breach. And there have been thousands of breaches: LinkedIn, Adobe, Facebook, Canva, billions of credentials already out there. If that email is in a breach, an attacker potentially has the password hash, the associated username, sometimes even phone numbers. After watching this video, just go and OSINT yourself. Just try to find information about yourself and see how hard you can try. There is another tool called as an ExifTool. It tells us about the metadata of a image. I took a testing image to show you the example of how we can use ExifTool. I'll just write in the command ExifTool and the testing.jpg image, and it will list down all the information, all the metadata about this image, like on which camera it was shot, the location, GPS, longitude, latitude, position, everything. I know that this was a very beginner friendly OSINT video and this was not technical at all, but there is a lot to OSINT. Like, you can just practice OSINT yourself. No one has to teach you anything. You can just go into OSINT framework and you'll find a lot of domains in which you can practice, a lot of tools to help you out in your OSINT and hacking things. OSINT isn't about hacking. It's more about paying attention. Go check your own Instagram right now with fresh eyes. Ask yourself, what could someone figure out about me from this profile alone? The answer might surprise you. Alright, this is it for the video. Thank you.